Hey, this is George Watson again with Complete Tree Care. We're going to talk about this time of year pruning your trees and doing preventative maintenance. We all know that this time of year could bring inclement weather, possibly ice storms if you have trees close to your house or close to your driveway or over power lines. We want to take precautions to make sure we are safe and not threatened by any dead or diseased trees.
I live in a neighborhood where we have a lot of trees, and I have to maintain trees that are close to my house and on my driveway. Whenever I need a professional to trim or remove trees or grind stumps for me, I call George Watson with Complete Tree Care. George is licensed, and he's insured, and he does a great job. I recommend George to my friends and my neighbors.
Hi, I'm George Watson. My company is Complete Tree Care. I've been in the tree industry for 15 years. We specialize in tree maintenance, tree removal, just about all of your trees needs we can take care of. We service Hall County, Beaufort, Cumming, most of Northeast Georgia. If you'd like a free estimate, please give us a call at 678-617-9152.